This is the Maxi Guillotine trimmer from Tonic Studios. There are measurements on the top, the middle, and the bottom. On the bottom, there's a place to store the handle or the end of the handle. You just pull it right off and you can store it there. If you want to put it back on, you just take it off the storage and then slide it right in. The base of this trimmer is nice and big and it can hold a full 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. There's a little divot at the top there that you could put paper clips, thumbtacks if you wanted. It's really easy to measure the measurements on this trimmer because, like I said, the measurements are at the top, in the middle, at the bottom. So you can make sure that you've got everything nice and straight. There's also a clear guard that you press down to hold the paper down from shifting. And there are two tabs on the guard, so when you have a full sheet of paper down, you can hold both of those tabs down to make sure that your paper is nice and secure. I've owned this trimmer for years and I've used it for nearly everything I've cut. I absolutely love how everything cuts straight. I love that I don't need to regularly buy replacement blades for it. You can cut more than one sheet of cardstock if you want. You just need to make sure that you've got that clear guard held down firmly. I typically don't cut more than 2 sheets of cardstock. I absolutely love this trimmer, and if for some reason I ever needed to buy a new trimmer, I'd buy the same one in a second.